It's a strange world we're living in. The space between us paper thin.
Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Loba. Welcome back to this channel. So today I went to collect my Singapore Together pack. So this is one of the events that is held in this year National Day celebration. Because this year is a bit special, we don't have major event coming out due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, we have this care package, and each household is supposed to have one of these bags in different designs. So I have one that is, I guess, is a HDB flat with all the Singapore flags showing. So without further ado, let me show you what is inside this big bag. First of all, this is a Velcro reusable bag. Okay, let me. Okay, these are the things inside. I'll take out one by one to let you see. Canned drinks, some Khong Guan snack, a national flag, okay, this is what you need: a thermometer. And of course, with thermometer, you have hand sanitizer. And what else? And with hand sanitizer, of course, surgical mask from AirPlus. And that's not all. They have provided 4 more package of the reusable mask. So this reusable mask, if I'm not wrong, they have a Singapore design. Let me open up one of them to let you see. Yeah, this is the one, a design with a Singapore logo over here. And it is a reusable mask that can use up to 30 times. I think this is quite a nice design. I may want to use it, especially on National Day itself. So let me put back this thing. I don't want to contaminate it. And I have 4 of them here provided in the package. And that is not all. Let me continue. They have a small little compartment here, and let me take out the rest. Okay, these are the tattoos, temporary tattoos, and these are the, okay, you may not know what it is, but this is just a filter for your flashlight on your camera. So you are supposed to use a red color during the day to celebrate Singapore birthday. And these are stickers. And this is fridge magnet, if you need a fridge magnet. And okay, this is some interesting information and a card. This is a card. And okay, there's one more important thing that maybe I want to share with you, which is on this. Okay, I have basically taken out almost everything. Okay, this is another sticker over here. So I have basically taken out everything from the package except for one that is on the package itself, this QR code. So if you scan this QR code, okay, anybody can scan it, even you can scan it now. it will go to a website that I have introduced in my blog on before. So if you scan it now, you can reach that site. So if you have not done so yet, yeah, just scan it. And that is it on this package. I think it's quite a lovely gesture from Singapore government to provide this thing to us. But of course, I understand that some people may not need all this, and there's no obligation to collect them if you don't need it. Okay, so let me show you the design again. And before I go, I have one last thing that I need to share with you. Hi guys, to demonstrate to you what you can do with your SG Together pack, I mean this recyclable bag, let me show you or demonstrate to you using a bigger space, because I think my desk is not big enough. So without further ado, let me show you how you can use the pack, or how you can keep the pack when you go for shopping. There's two ways to do it. First, of course, you have to expose this little bag over here. Let me show you, and make sure that the loops are outside. Okay, make sure that the loops are outside, the bag is outside. So what you can do is, of course, depending on you, I want to be neat, I make sure that it's folded properly on both sides. Okay, just like this. So once you have prepared this, what you need to do is just fold in a little bit of this, and then fold outwards like this. Okay, and fold it like this, and squeeze everything inside this package. Once it's inside, you can see that it becomes a square format, and you have the two loops to carry it. Okay, this is one method. Another method is, I guess most people will prefer, that means to keep everything in a very very tight, neat little package. So once more, let me share with you second method. Okay, everything inside, including the loop. Okay, now this time around, you have to make sure that the loops are inside, so hide everything inside. Okay, open up the Velcro or whatever that you need to hide everything inside, except for this pouch. It has to be facing outside. Then fold it again, just fold it, whatever that you need to bring everything into this pouch. Okay, so I think I have it here, and we squeeze into this little pouch. Okay, you can do better than me. This is just a demonstration. That is it, and you can bring it in your bag, in your bigger bag for shopping or etc. And that is about it for this SG Together pack demonstration. And thank you so much. I will see you around. Bye bye.